India's shooter Swapnil Kusale successfully made it to men's 50-meter rifle three-position final event. Swapnil Kusale finished 7th in the qualifying round with a total of 590 points with 38 inner tens. And with this, he becomes the 5th Indian shooter to reach the final in Paris Olympics. Meanwhile, Aishwarya Pratap Tomar finished at the 11th position. So as Swapnil becomes the 5th Indian shooter to make it to the final round of Paris Olympics, let's quickly tell you more about this rising shooting sensation who's creating new records at the Paris Olympics there in Châteauroux. So let's understand about the journey and achievements so far of Swapnil. Born in the year 1995, Swapnil comes from an agricultural background. Further to this, if we talk about this rising star, this rising hero who's going to represent India tomorrow in the finals. Moving on, Swapnil comes from... In 2009, Swapnil undertook a government primary program because he comes from Maharashtra. So he took a government primary program there in Maharashtra and learned more about sports. He took this course for almost around 2 years. And if we talk about it, Swapnil's first major achievement after that course which he completed, that came in the year 2015. And not only this, in the same year, Swapnil won gold in the Junior Asian Shooting Championship. And this was also the first major achievement for Swapnil Kusale. Now, Swapnil also made his Olympic debut with this particular edition of Paris Olympics. So this altogether is a very great achievement for Swapnil because this is his Olympic debut and he has made it to the finals already. Now, Swapnil has also qualified for finals of 50-meter rifle three positions. We are talking about this particular edition after finishing 7th in the qualification round. So if you talk about the qualification round, this entire journey, it's not been an easy one, not been a very flattering one, but this shows how consistently he struggled and progressed over the years. Now, Swapnil earlier secured an Olympic quota by finishing 4th at World Championship 2022. So this quest to make it to the finals of Olympics 2024 began back in the year 2022 when Swapnil secured his Olympic quota. Now, in the same year, which is 2022, Swapnil bagged gold in Asian Games for India. So this is where the confidence has been coming from. This is where the experience has been coming from, and his performance has been consistently well from 2022. And now moving on to the year 2023. Talking about the World Cup that took place in Cairo, Swapnil got 1 gold and 2 silver medal at that particular edition of World Cup. So this is all about his performance, his top highlights of his career, which he started in the year 2015. Now, Swapnil is also, interestingly, is a top scheme athlete. TOPS is the Target Olympic Podium Scheme, an initiative by the government of India that offers help and support, the financial support to all the players. And he is also the ACTC scheme player. So this is how Swapnil's journey has been throughout the year if we talk about his progress and his performance over the years. So Swapnil has been doing really good when we talk about his performances, and tomorrow finally he's going to represent India in the super final of Olympics 50-meter rifle three-position event. All the very best to Swapnil from India because fans are continuously cheering for Swapnil there.